Everybody wants to be productive, and in today's video I want to share my favorite productivity applications that I use on a daily basis that will really change or at least bring some sort of value to your workflow. In case you guys like this video, welcome to a brand new video. What's up guys, Anubhav here, and yeah, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's see if we can get this video to 1000 likes and we'll work on a new video like this again soon. With that said, let's not waste any more time, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, the first app on the list goes by the name of Polycam, and this is a cool one. Polycam is an amazing application that currently iOS users can use to create 3D models of any object using your iPhone's camera. Polycam now also works with any iPhone, not just the ones with the LiDAR sensor, so you can effectively create 3D models anywhere and use their new photo mode to create photorealistic 3D renders of objects, people, or of anything you fancy really. Once done, all you have to do is let the app do its processing magic and you're greeted with this super accurate 3D model that you can immediately export to a wide variety of softwares and use cases. Effectively, you could record a 3D model with your phone and print it with a 3D printer, or use the Unity engine to create a game character, or use 3D animation softwares like Blenders and Cinema 4D to create your very own sequence. I mean, the creativity is truly endless. And this is really amazing because other than that, you can also use all of Polycam's inbuilt tools in this app like cropping, measuring at real world scale, creating a video of your capture to quickly share it with your team members, and also annotate to add useful info to your renders. This is also the only app right now that offers LiDAR scanning for the newer iOS devices and a new photo mode for all other iPhones, so even if you have a relatively older iPhone, you're still covered. The photo mode also uses cloud processing, so you really don't have to worry about your device's memory as well. Also, this is super insider knowledge by the way, they're also working on an Android app which should be pretty damn amazing and should be out before 2021 ends. Overall, Polycam is a super powerful tool for professionals like architects, interior designers. I mean, if you're an architect or a designer and you're watching this, you're probably freaking out and pretty amazed right now. So I would highly recommend you guys to check Polycam out while you can from the first link in the description below. With that said guys, let's talk about the next application on the list, which goes by the name of Taskade. And don't worry, this is not sponsored by Taskade, but Taskade is probably one of the best productivity solutions that I have had the pleasure to use for a long time now. Basically, the way Taskade works is that it's your one-stop shop for everything that you want to plan, whether it's your daily planner, it's your schedule, and it takes everything just one notch up. First off, the mobile app is available on both Android and iOS, so two platforms can use it at the same time. The way it works is you create a brand new workspace. Workspaces define basically, of course, the workspace. So this is going to be where all of your projects and all of the things that you're working on will be in. Inside a workspace, you can either create subspace to categorize your work, or you can also create different projects basically by creating, let's say, a weekly planner, a to-do list, a video list, anything that you fancy, anything that you can think of, you can create here. Inside the project is where the magic starts. However, you can add different tasks, you can categorize them using a lot of different things. You can add your team members. So let's say you're a team of 3 people working on your startup and you live far away from each other. You can use Taskade to plan all of this together and communicate together in the same project in real time. There's also a chatbot section where you can talk with your team members, video call them or voice call them to quickly resolve some issues. And you can also view all of this on your computer as well, so it works in real time across all devices. And the best part about Taskade is the fact that it's completely free, so you can completely use it with all of your team members with no hiccups here and there. And honestly, this is one of those applications that I recommend anybody who wants to improve their productivity. Give Taskade a try. You're effectively doing it for the cost of nothing. It's free, as I said, and it's gonna change your outlook on productivity. Be sure to check it out. It'll be linked below. With that said guys, at number 3 we're talking about Google Docs, which for me has to be the best typing app out there or the best writing app out there. Now, every single video that I have worked on post 2017 has a script, and I've written these scripts on Google Docs. Even the audio that you're listening to right now has some bullet notes written on a Google Docs page of this video. I use Google Docs for everything, whether it's creating a budget for the current month, or it's for creating my upcoming video topics, or any cool idea that I have. Other than writing it down on a piece of paper, I write it down on Google Docs, and this really helps me because number one, the format is great. It works really well for any quick info or note that I want to write down. Number two, I can use this on my Gmail account on any device that I use, whether it is on a Chrome browser, on my MacBook, or on my computer, or whether it is on the Google Docs app that I have on my phone. Because I am connected to the same Gmail account, I can find all of my files anywhere. So I could effectively write down an idea on my phone when I feel like it, and then continue that idea on a much bigger scale on my computer. A couple of days later, the data is already there. It helps. It's super simple. It's like MS Word. If you've used Google Docs, it's very, very simple. It's very bare bones, doesn't have a lot of cool features, but it gets the job done, and that is what I like the most about it. Definitely check it out. It'll be linked below. At number 4, guys, I would highly recommend, to increase your productivity, to have a good password manager of choice. Now, the one that I'm showcasing here is Dashlane, and again, this is not sponsored by Dashlane, but Dashlane is one of the greatest password managers out there. The way Dashlane works is really, really cool. So you can obviously store all of your passwords here, and this is increasingly important because if you're a content creator, or really if you have a lot of accounts online, passwords can be hacked very easily, and using Dashlane you can store all of them at the same place and access them at the same time, so you don't have to remember all your passwords. And one of the main reasons I love Dashlane is because of its password generator. So if I create a new password over here, you can see there is a password generator option which creates a really, really complex passwords with digits and letters and symbols, and something that a person could never guess if they're trying to hack into your account. You can use these passwords, and as I said, you don't have to remember them because Dashlane remembers it for you. All you have to remember is the master password that will be used to unlock Dashlane. Dashlane as well can be used on your phone. You can use your fingerprint or Face ID to unlock it. You can also install it on your computer, where you can use your master password. You can have a lot of features here and there. Basically lets you quickly manage all your passwords at the same time. Other than that, it also has a few cool security tools, including a password health option, a password changer, which is really cool, dark web monitoring, which is extremely important if you access a lot of shady websites, and last but not the least, a VPN that lets you choose from a wide variety of countries, so you can have basically a virtual network of any other country to access websites that you cannot in your country, or to watch shows that you cannot in your country. All of this for a simple premium pack, or even the free pack if you want to use just the passwords on one device, is really, really cool. And I'm not saying use Dashlane, I'm just saying use any password manager. It'll make your life simpler, thereby making you more productive. Alright guys, last but definitely not the least, we've got Universal Copy, and this is an app that I have spoken about for ages, and once again I've included in this video because I still feel like not a lot of people use it. Universal Copy is a super simple application. You download the app, you open it up, you give it permissions, and then you'll see this bubble on your notification bar. Basically, you click on this and the entire page or the screen turns into an editable, copyable text field. So whether you're browsing the internet or you're looking at a website or a PDF file, simply click on Universal Copy whenever you want to copy the data, and the app scans the screen, and you can now click and hold and select on pages as well as text fields, copy them to your clipboard, and effectively paste them anywhere. There's also a scan mode that works with photos and stuff, so I would highly recommend using that as well. Honestly, this is a great application to quickly copy and paste stuff, thereby increasing your productivity. And once again, it's a completely free application. Check it out from the link in the description below. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. In case any of these 5 applications brought about any sort of value to you, feel free to let me know in the comments. I love reading your comments and I love every single one of them. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. Hope you guys have a lovely day and week ahead. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Until then, you guys have a great day. Stay safe.